On 1st of January 2016, Mr. X visited Bank of India. Over there, he found a notice as under: if you make investment for 1 year, if you make investment for 2 years, if you make investment for 3 years, what would be the rate of interest is provided to us? You're required to answer. These are given name as the spot rates. What is the forward rate for the first year, for the second year, and for third year? So we are required to make the calculation of F1, F2 and F3. Try to calculate the answer on your own. Now friends, as far as the first year is concerned, in the first year, the spot and the forward is going to be same, that is 10%. So basically we are required to make the calculation of the answer for the F2 and F3. Please write an answer. Calculation of F2. F2 stands for the forward rate for the second year. So it is 1 plus spot rate for the first year raised to 1 into 1 plus F2 raised to 1 is equal to 1 plus spot for the second year raised to 2. That is the way we are required to calculate the answer. So the first year forward rate is given to us as 10% and spot rate is given as 10%. Okay. For the second year it is 11.5%. Into 1 plus F2 raised to 1. That's it. So 1 plus F2 raised to 1 is equal to 1.1150 raised to 2 divided by 1.10 raised to 1. So the answer is 1.115 into 1.115 divided by 1.10. So 1.1302 minus 1. So it is 0.1302, that is 13.02%. That is the way F2 can be calculated. Next, calculation of F3. It can be calculated like this: 1 plus spot for the second year raised to 2 into 1 plus F3 raised to 1 is equal to 1 plus spot for the third year raised to 3. That is the way it will be calculated. So over here, second year spot rate is 11.5% and third year it is 12.75%. This is the way it will be calculated as balancing figure. 1 plus F3 raised to 1 is equal to 1.1275 raised to 3 divided by 1.1150 raised to 2. So the numerator is 1.4333 divided by 1.115, 1.2432. Whatever the answer that we have, from that one will be deducted. So it is 1.1529. So it is 15.29 percentage. Read on answer. Second part of the question. At the same time, a debenture with the following feature is available in the market. Face value 1000 रुपये, rate of interest is 20%, time period of redemption is 3 years, redemption value is 1000. You are required to calculate the market price or the present value of the debenture. Importantly, they have provided using forward rates. So using the forward rate information which we have calculated recently, you are required to compute the price of the debenture. So answer for the third part of the question. In that, calculation of P0. Let us see that's how to do it. Interest income for the first year divided by 1 plus F1 plus interest income for the second year divided by 1 plus F1 into 1 plus F2 plus interest income for the third year divided by 1 plus F1 into 1 plus F2 into 1 plus F3. Like that, say we are required to have the discounting using the respective rates. $1,000 into 20%, that comes to 200. Second year again 200. Third year interest income plus redemption value, that is 200 plus 1000 divided by, as far as the first year rate is concerned, it is 10%. For the second year, it is 1.10 into, you can see that say the second year forward rate is 13.02. And friends, for the third year, it will be 1.10 into 1.1302 into 1.1529. That is the way we are supposed to make the calculation of answer. So we understand that say 200 divided by 1.1. So it is 181.81. Plus 200 divided by 1.10 into 1.1302. So 1.2432 plus 1200 divided by 1.1529 is multiplied further, so 1.4333. So it is 181.81 plus 200 divided by 1.2432, so 160.88 1200 divided by 1.2433, so 1.4333, that comes to 837.23. So the final answer is 181.81 plus 160.88 plus 837.23. So 1179.92. That is the way the P0 can be calculated. Now friends, we can see that this question is exactly the same as what we did a question earlier, in which we had used the spot rates. And using the spot rates, the present value was 181, present value was 116 and 837.2. Over here also it is 181, 116 and 837. So the answer is bound to be same. There is no doubt about it. The only thing is that the presentation of the answer would change. Why? Because we understand that instead of the spot rates, now we have used the forward rates for the purpose of doing answer. We have to understand technically like this, that this 1200 rupees is divided by 1.1529. So from the third year it is discounted to the second year. Further it is divided by 1.132, that is 1302. So from second year it is discounted to the first year. Divided by 1.10. So from the first year it is discounted to year 0. That is the way progressively, so we have discounted the values. So from the later year to the preceding year, this is what we understand.